Come test drive the 2016 Impala. The Impala has been one of America's favorites for over 50 years. Enough said. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic parking brake, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, power brakes, braking assist, airbags, front knee, cruise control, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot, multifunction display. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.